What do you want? You already got one. But what do you want for breakfast?
A cake. Santa Claus cake.
Be still. What kind of cake?
Santa Claus
Stop,
cake.
I can't see you. I can't see you when you're bouncing. Don't.
A Santa Claus cake.
What did I make for breakfast the other day?
Waffles.
No. Say taquitos.
Taquitos.
A what?
Taquitos.
Say it again. I can't hear you.
Taquitos.
You like it? Taquitos? Why?
Because
What about the monkey bread?
No.
Go turn that light on up there. Did you like that monkey bread I made yesterday? Why?
Because I love that Santa Claus cake.
What about, say taquitos?
Taquitos.
What? Taquitos? Say it.
Taquitos.
Taquitos. Be careful. Okay. Bye-bye.
Mom, is it okay to have Santa Claus cake?
Maybe. What kind of bear suit does your bear have? Does he have a bear, say, Cub Scout suit?
Cub Scout suit.
What kind?
Cub Scout suit.
He does?
And a policeman.
Okay.
I learned this all just now.
Wow, see, reading the instruction manual helps, doesn't it?
Here, let me take a video.
Okay, well, I'm going to go get breakfast. Love you.
Love you too, Mom.
Mm.
Bye.